Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss with Tramadol injection. Here, generic name is Tramadol hydrochloride, and then class of this drug is opioid analgesic. It's an analgesic, belongs to opioid. And then from injection 50 mg per ml. Here, common brand names we can see, that is Tramzac, and then Tramasol, Tramacip, and then Tramadol injection. These are the common brand names of Tramadol injection. And then we can see that here, mechanism of action. It's a very important one. Mu opioid receptor agonists, and then inhibits reuptake of serotonin and norepinephrine, and then alters pain receptors in brain. This is the mechanism of action of Tramadol injection. And then uses moderate to severe pain, and then post-operative pain, injury related pain, and also in some cases cancer pain, and then neuropathic pain. These are the uses when this has to use. Dosage: IM is 50 to 100 mg deep intramuscular, and then IV is 50 to 100 mg slow intravenous over 2 to 3 minutes. And then frequency is every 4 to 6 hours, and then maximum dose per day is 400 mg. And then common side effects of this Tramadol injection, we can see nausea, vomiting, dizziness, drowsiness, we can see constipation and sweating. And then some of the serious side effects here, we can see respiratory depression, seizures, serotonin syndrome, and then drug dependency. These are the some of the serious side effects. And then next we'll see the drug interactions here. Here this drug has not to take with this one, that is alcohol, benzodiazepines, antidepressants. We can see the seizure risk. Next, contraindications. When this injection should not give, that is allergy to Tramadol, severe asthma, respiratory issues, alcohol intoxication, and then also for below 12 years, and then history of seizures. It is contraindicated. And then here we can see the warnings and precautions. Avoid alcohol, avoid driving, and then use carefully in elderly. These are some of the precautions. And then next, special population use. Here pregnancy only if necessary. In pregnancy has to take in a necessary condition. And then breastfeeding, avoid if possible. And then elderly, start with lower dose. Kidney or liver disease, here dose adjustment has to be there. That is depend upon the physician. Next, storage here. Below 25 degree has to store, and then protect from light, do not freeze here. I hope you all are clear the Tramadol. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.